Hey guys, it's BW. I'm back out in the garage. This is a special episode. I came home from work today and I fabricated everything on the passenger side the same way as I did on the driver's side. I had one little mistake. My one bar's a little bit more forward. I'll show you that in a minute. The overall results is a mixed bag of nuts. It's really good and So first of all, the Hudson bearing, either the tracks are not long enough or they're not heavy duty enough. There's a lip on the back of the hood I hadn't taken into account, and it was catching, so I had to pry it up over. And then once I got it rolling forward, it came off the Hudson bearings before I tilted forward. So I just got to figure out that end of it. It looks really nice when it's tilted forward. I could take it all the way out. Everybody always said about head knockers for the fenders, not on ours. So let me walk you and show you a couple things real quick. All right, so first of all, you guys remember I never did anything with the bottom fenders. So as soon as I unbolted them and took the straps off, they're sticking out a little bit. I think I'm gonna end up using like one of them cam locks or something there. We'll figure something out. I don't know what I'm doing there yet. Over here in the front, I drilled and tapped, and then I put a jam nut on the back. That's the keep it from flipping all the way over. It's just for safety. I didn't drill anything in the tracks yet. I just put C-clamps on the front to keep it from going too far forward. Like I say, let me show you the passenger side real quick. It looks really good. The only issue is, like I said, I miscalculated. I should have built it completely backwards from the other one. I should have did this piece first and built all this off of it. But I tried to build it exact same on the other side. So when it came out, it was done. This bar is just a ½ inch more forward than that side. I don't think if I hadn't have told you, I don't believe anybody would ever know. So it's still really good, and it looks great. But like I say, the Hudson bearings, I'm gonna have to rethink that job. They might work if I jack them up a little bit, or I have to cut this. See this lip right here on the back of the hood? It catches right on the end of the cowl. So, but there's an adjustment on them bearings where I could push it up. So that might be all right, but then the hood would look a little bit too high. But we do have some room to come up on this side. And we have some room to come up. Not really too much on this side. It's kind of, you know, so it's one of them things. I'm gonna have to play with it. But for right now, let me set the camera up, and I'll muscle it forward and tilt it forward for you guys so you can see what's going on with it. So everybody can check it out. We all been waiting for this. So I'm anxious to show you guys. It's just, I wish I had the camera out earlier, but I'm like, I just started going, and the next thing I knew, here we are. So let's see what we got. All right, there's that. You guys can watch that. And like I say, it's a little rough for me to get it over the cowl, but once I get it over the cowl, the linear bearings work awesome. I mean, and the tilt on it, those bushings are the answer. But like I say, we got a couple things that we got to work out back here. I got to figure out how to get it up over that cowl, and I think the answer might be making longer bearing tracks. Get it out, bring it all the way forward. You can see it's not going to hit the door. That was scratching on the cowl over there because I don't have it all set up yet. And there it is. It is tilted forward. Let me show you, like if I'm at a car show or something, I can bring it all the way out to work on it. But if I'm at a show, after I bring it forward, I can slide it in like that and run it tight to everything. It looks really good. But like I say, everybody was always complaining, oh, head knocker here, head knocker here. Well, not for ours. Look how far out we can come. And that's that. I'm really satisfied with a lot of it, but like I say, we got some more work to do. No problem. That's what we're doing. We're building a hot rod. So here's the bracketry. Let me get it down and take a look at it. It's sitting on that bolt. All right, so you tie it in on the front hood. We still got to make some welds here and on the other side. Okay, you're tied into the fender here, and you're tied into the hood there. So if you stand back and look at it, it's really cool. All right, that's that. You got the exact same thing on the other side. One of the holes is too far away on the hood. I'm gonna fix that tomorrow. This one right here, I don't like that. I was able to get a weld in it, but I'm gonna stick a wafer wheel in there, cut it loose, just on that one weld. Then I'm gonna cut the plate and tap it down until it's flush on the sheet metal. All right, so we know our plan works. At least the linear package works excellent. The bearings work excellent, and the bushings for the hinge work excellent. But we got work to do back here. I think I need to make these like 2 inches longer, maybe. Either that, or I just put a caster wheel or something back there and try to figure it out that way. I'm gonna think on it for the night. I'll run it past a couple of my buddies and we'll come up with something. But that's what we got right now. I'm really happy. I mean, look at that thing. She's tilted. All right, we know we can do it now. And I mean, I'm really happy. Look, I got exposure to the whole engine. I can get to the radiator. I can get to my header pipes. I can change my spark plugs. I can change my belt, work on the alternator, adjust the carburetor, adjust the distributor. I mean, we can do everything. We don't have to worry about nothing. So I just got to work out some bugs, and we're going to get that done, and it's not going to be an issue. So there it is. Let me get this put back up. All right, crank this thing back up. There you go. All right, guys, that's what I got for you. I'm going to clean up the garage. I'm going to run in and put this up. I'm not even going to edit it, so there's that little blank at the end. But it seems like the videos go straight up when I don't have to do a whole lot of editing. I just wanted to share it with what happened with you guys. I was hoping to do this yesterday, but when I got called into work, it didn't happen for us. But it happened tonight, and we'll get this other issue straightened out, no problem at all. Stick around. Take care.